Ywaruok mapek nomuoch e dho osiptal maduong' ma Kakamega bang' ka lakteche mane ng'anyo nogeng'negi gi askache mag kauntino chopo e apisi mar gavana Fernandes Baraza kama ne gigeto chwalo e ng'ul margi. Kane giloso gi jofwambo, laktechego ne dwaro mondo mi omedgi lemo e tich, ondik moko kuomgi e yo mongirore kaachiel kod chopo winjruok mar dokie tich mane gikete kogno ndalo mokalo gi sirikand kauntino. Laktechego mosebedo ka nie ng'anyo kuom ndalo malo 40 oramo ni gibiro mana ng'anyo nyaka chop winj ywak margi.
We are going to be on strike until the county government ends their strike, because this issue, if you see, the doctors have left their workstations and currently they are on streets, is because the county government abandoned mediation that was through the labor office. They abandoned mediation through the courts of law, and they have also abandoned mediation in the boardrooms.
In fact, if anything, we are even fighting for the rights of the citizens. If you come to hospitals and things are not working, what do you want a doctor to do? What do you want a doctor to do? If equipment is not working, don't expect the doctor to do a miracle. All we are saying is we want things to work in this county so that we can also execute the passions that we went to school to do.
We'll only go back to work when all our 3 issues in the strike notice are taken care of. We urge the county to step up and be the governance, to offer the governance that is required to its